Hi friends, Megan Brown here from the BakerMama, and I am so excited to show y'all how to make our family's favorite Stovetop Mac and Cheese. You can find the recipe in my Spectacular Spreads cookbook and also on thebakermama.com. It's so easy, it's all made on the stovetop, and it's so creamy and delicious. Everyone loves it. Let me show you how. Okay, I've got my water boiling for the pasta. Our absolute favorite pasta to use for mac and cheese is cavatappi. Sure, you can use elbow macaroni or whatever your family enjoys the most, but I highly recommend cavatappi. So I'm gonna pour that in to the boiling water and let it cook away. Okay, while the water is boiling, we're gonna make the cheese sauce. Start by adding 4 tablespoons of butter to a pan over medium heat. Let that melt. And meanwhile, you want to mix together 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Whisk that together until it's all well combined. Once the butter is completely melted, we're going to whisk in the flour mixture, slowly, a little bit at a time, until it is well combined with that melted butter. You'll continue to whisk until the mixture is thick and starts to turn light brown, about 1 minute. Okay, now we're gonna slowly whisk in the milk. Continue to whisk until the mixture starts to thicken, about 3 minutes. Okay, the pasta looks like it's almost finished. I'm gonna remove it from the heat and drain it. Once the milk and flour mixture is simmering and thickened, turn the heat to low and add the cheeses. I love using American cheese. I find sliced American cheese, it melts wonderfully in macaroni and cheese. Also add shredded cheddar cheese. Stir the cheeses into the sauce until they are completely melted. Once the cheese sauce is ready, we're going to stir in the cooked pasta and stir to combine. All right, it's ready to serve. Less than 30 minutes, homemade mac and cheese, so delicious. Let's eat. This macaroni and cheese is so great on its own, served as a side dish, or you have to check out my mac and cheese spread from my Spectacular Spreads cookbook. Watch the next video. It's such a fun way to serve your family and friends. Enjoy. So delicious.